I'm amazing. I'm amazing. Don't let them tell you anything else. I'm amazing. They all suck. I'm like the best person in band right now. And no shout out to Skyly.
Actually, I'm better than him. Oh my god, I look greasy.
Layla, you're not glowing. Layla's a little greasy right now. It's okay. We're all greasy.
Oh my gosh, are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Hey guys.
This is my best friend.
It's on Super View, so it can see all of y'all.
This is not.
Even though
this is my other like not best friends.
Oh.
But me and Layla are like besties still.
Wait, I have to test.
And me and Brooke are besties, and her mom's Okia.
I know that's right. I know that's right.
Her mom's Okia.
Okay, I got that GoPro view of the bassoon. Do you see it? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it does.
Go Layla! Go Layla! Go Layla! Why are we like actually eating that up?
Slay, Abby. Do you not watch me?
No, I don't. The next episode.
If you want to stay my best friend, you gotta go home.
It's gonna be about you. It's gonna be about you. It's gonna be about you.
I'm not watching.
That's pretty cute.
Okay, I bet you as soon as the game ends, half of the stand is gonna go.
Guys, we kind of have to pee.
Dude, it's always before every performance. I gotta go pee so bad.
I think I'm nervous here, like when I get scared.
One, two, three, four. That's literally what I think in my head. I'm just like singing the music, then boom. One, two.
I look in my shadow.
Two, two, three, four. Crescendo, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, I didn't even know they restarted right there. We're recording, y'all. Going on your TikTok? Yes.
Hey. I follow your TikTok, I'll find it.
Good.
I follow your TikTok.
I had like 500 views on my last conducting video.
Yeah, that was so cool.
But now I have the conducting, and then I like run and take my gloves off really quick, and then I put my bassoon on, and you can see like the side of my bassoon, but you can also see like the audience. It's really cool.
Who's got stripes and bright stars? I'm like an alto, so I have to use my head voice. What? So? Reagan, look at the bump.
Are we not?
Yes, he was on the bottom.
Where's my bassoon? Whoa, what you got there, bud? No! Don't hold it like that.
I am so sorry.
Watch out for the reef.
The band is led on the field by head drum major Abby Stone and assistant drum majors Layla Escatel and Brooke Wilson.
That's my name!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have another round of applause for your 2023 Pirate Band.